Hi everybody, I am here to talk to you about the Little Falls yearbook. Every year we put out a hardcover, full color, 64-page yearbook that has lots of highlights from the year, some of the fun things that we've done, sports, extracurriculars, all your portrait pictures, pictures of your teachers, and you can buy these in the spring when they come in for $25. But every year we have a sale, which is going on right now through January 15th, where you can save $5. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go online and type in jostinsyearbooks.com. jostinsyearbooks.com. And if you spell it correctly, it works out better. So I'm going to try that again. jostinsyearbooks.com. There we go. Okay, when you get to this page, it'll ask what school you are from. Mine automatically goes to Little Falls Community Middle School because I spend a lot of time on this page. But if you are on this site for the first time, just type in Little Falls Community Middle School. And here's the high school right here. Here's the middle school. Make sure it's the one in Minnesota and not New Jersey. Click on it and click on yearbook right here. If you go there, you can see that our sale price is reflected right there, and you can click on yearbook and just go straight to ordering it. Or if you want to do anything super fancy to your book, like put a metal nameplate on it or something else, you can order that here too. So we'll just click on yearbook, and it'll bring you to this page where you can have your name embossed on the cover or put any little sporting icon on the cover for an additional cost. We are just going to add the yearbook at this time. So add that to the cart, and then type in your first name and last name here. And then this box right here is especially important. It's really helpful to us when we go to distribute the books in the spring if you tell us who your advisor is. So that's what homeroom means. Just put your advisor's name in there, put your email, and then you can check out and pay for it however it is you're going to pay for it. There's no shipping cost or anything like that because they are sent directly to our school. So it's just a straight $20 until January 25th. After that, you can continue to order online for $25 up until I think it's the end of March is when they cut it off because they have to print the books. Your third option would be to just buy them when they come in the spring for $25 at that time. We always order lots of extras, so we've never run out. But this is just a way for you to save a little bit of money. If you have any questions, please let myself or Miss Olson Stacken know, and we can try to help you out. Thanks for watching.